Morning, everybody. Just kind of Honey and I are surveying what we did yesterday here in the workshop. I don't know, we were kind of tired yesterday and didn't really take it all in what we got done, but this is monumental, really what we got done. I'm really happy with that. Honey's banging around on the big tool chest because she's wearing her sweatshirt. I think she's getting a static charge. But that's our workbench. We're gonna get that assembled today. And then we'll just see where the day takes us. I wanna kind of clean the floor up. It's almost 30 years of never being cleaned the floor. So we might mop it up, or feeling if it gets warm enough today, we might actually power wash it. But I don't know about that one. So, all right, let's get some lights on in here. Well, that was Honey. Maybe we do need to get that together, huh, girl? Well, like I was saying, we're gonna get a fire started in here now. It's 46 degrees. Let's try and get it up, I don't know, as warm as we can. So, because I got a bunch of layers on. Let's get to it. Yeah, so what I decided to do, because it's actually warmer outside than it is in the shop here, I just opened up the big door and the main door off to the side, and just gonna kind of let some of the cold air go in or cold air out and warm air into the shop. We'll see if that makes a difference, but it's a beautiful sunny day out, and instead of just wasting wood in here, we're gonna do that. But we're gonna actually start with fixing our air compressor. We actually have a slow leak down here, and so we're gonna take that apart, re-dope it, and then get it back together, and then our airline system will be pretty awesome. All right, let's get to that. A pair of snips and a regular screwdriver. Looks like, I really hope that the person didn't cross thread that in there. Let's get this hose off. So this right here, this right here is where it's leaking. Sorry about the sun, it's been wild here. Now let's get a wire brush, we'll clean this up and put it back together and we'll be ready. So you can tell that someone fixed this in the past only because this is just a galvanized 3/8 street 90. So it is what it is. It does the trick. It probably worked for him for a long time. And it's going to work for us for a long time. Alright, before we dope it up, let's see where we need it to go. So we need the 90 to be aiming this direction. Okay. Ooh, that's probably the problem. Because it's plastic, so you don't want to crank on it too hard. Like right there it stops. We should be okay. Maybe not. All right, let me just get a paper towel and we'll start putting this back together. Okay. Okay, let's get an extension cord and see where we're at. Alright, let's get this thing fired up and see if we have our leak still. So let me move this camera a little bit. Right here, there's a gasket that goes right around. And that seems to be where our leak is coming from, but let's go get some spray and see if it bubbles up. So it's bubbling up right where we put that in. Yeah, I think we might have to wrap that with some tape and then dope it up. We might have to change it over to a brass fitting. Yeah, that's a bummer. Alright, so we're going to try this one more time before we go out and go get a brass fitting. So what we're going to do is clean this up again, and then we're going to actually put pipe tape on it. This is gas line rated, but it's the same deal. So you don't want to go the other way though. You don't want to put something for like air or water line on a gas, but you can go the other way, especially for this. So let's get the wire brush again, clean this up, and tape it up, and we'll be good. Yeah, So, Cannon and Sparkle, they came to see what I'm up to here, and then obviously. So yeah, always distractions here at the farm. So, but this is what I did. I wrapped it with tape, and then I'm gonna put some pipe dope on it, and we're gonna try again. All right, so we got that. Now we're gonna dope this up. So now hopefully this will solve our problem. All right, so we got that going on. Let's see if we can go one more full turn. That should do it. Okay, so it's aiming the right direction. Cannon's crying. And here we go. All right, now that I tighten that all together, let's try putting it back together and firing it up again. Okay, so we got it off. Let's plug it back in. And fire it up. This thing runs great. It's just all these little things that make it, you know, he's got adjustments. They're all old. Sparkle just told me I forgot my walkie-talkie inside. Turns out it's one of these air chucks down here is leaking too. And that one's leaking. I don't know, can you see the bubbles coming out? Alright, well, at least those are all ones that are easy to fix without taking it apart. I don't have the parts to fix that, but I will get new couplers this week. I'll put that on the list when I head out, and we'll get that fixed. And then we'll be in good shape, but at least we know now where the leak is coming from. But that definitely was leaking back there, as you saw. But we got that together now. And let's get to this gosh darn workbench.